Hey, WordPress wizards! Welcome back to WP Design Lab, your go-to channel for powerful, practical WordPress tutorials. Today, we're diving into something slick, a draggable image slider add-on that lets you upload, reorder, replace, and display images, all from the WordPress admin panel. This exact slider, you can make it yourself, fast, clean, and fully draggable, right in your Elementor-powered WordPress site. First, download the plugin from GitHub. The link is in the description below. Now open your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, click on Add New, then choose Upload Plugin. Select the zip file you just downloaded and click Install. Next, go to the plugin page under the Settings tab in WordPress. Click the Add Images button. This will open the WordPress media library. Choose as many images as you like. They'll show up right away in the slider preview. You can drag to reorder them, click Replace to change any image, or Remove to delete one. To display the slider on your site, just use the shortcode. Drag slider. Open any page or post, or use Elementor. Add a full-width container. Then drag in the shortcode widget and paste in the slider shortcode. You can also add a background image if you want to style it more. Once you're done, click Save Changes and preview your page to see the slider in action. Boom! You've got a stylish, interactive image slider live on your site. The slider comes to life with drag control. Just grab an image and swipe left or right. As you move, the images fade out and resize smoothly, giving it a sleek, modern vibe. You can add more images if you like. The image sizes will change randomly each time you refresh the page. The best part? It's fully responsive and looks great on mobile devices too. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to WP Design Lab for more WordPress tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next build.